How to add a highlight on Instagram without adding it to your Instagram story. Unfortunately, the content that you add to your highlights has to already have been posted to your Instagram story. And if you don't want anyone to see the story so that you can quietly add it to your highlight, you have to change the settings for your story. To do this, select the menu icon in the top right corner of your profile page, and then select Settings. From here, click the Privacy tab. Then under Interactions, select Story. At the top of your story controls, you'll see the option to hide story from. If you select this, a full list of your followers will appear, and you have the option to select specific people that you want to hide your story from. To hide your story from everyone, you can go through the list and select each of your followers, which is extremely time consuming if you have a lot of followers, but really it's the only way to ensure that your story isn't seen by anyone. Alternatively, if you don't mind one or two people seeing the stories that you're posting so that you can add it to your highlights, you can create a close friends list and add the individuals to this list by either searching them in the search bar or clicking the plus sign in the top right corner. If we then go to create a story from our profile page, we can choose to either send it to our very restricted close friends list, or if you've hidden your stories from all of your followers, you can just click to add it to your story. Once you've done that, you'll have to wait 24 hours before adding the story to your highlight so that it can be archived to your Instagram account. You'll also have to wait 24 hours before you can unhide your stories from all of your followers so that the story isn't active on your profile page anymore. So it's now been 24 hours since we posted our Instagram story. So now that it's been fully archived to our profile, we can add it to our highlights. So if we just select the highlight we want to add it to, or you can create a new one, and then select More in the bottom right corner, we can click Edit Highlight. If we select the Stories tab, we can then select the story to add it to our highlight. Once you have that completed, click Done in the top right corner. If we watch our stories now, our newest story has been added to our Instagram highlight, and no one has seen it because we were able to hide it from our followers. And that's how to add highlights on Instagram without adding it to your Instagram story. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.